If you need a laptop that actually lasts all day without hunting for a charger, the Asus Zenbook S14 might just be the answer you have been waiting for. It promises lightweight portability, a stunning OLED screen, and a battery life that could easily stretch beyond 20 hours. But does it really live up to these claims? Let's find out. The moment you hold the Zenbook S14, its solid yet lightweight design impresses. At just 2.65 pounds, it is easier to carry than many competitors, including the MacBook Air. The Ceraluminum body feels sturdy, but not overly fancy. It's clean, minimalistic, and practical. While there is some minor flex when pressing hard on the keyboard, it is well within reasonable limits for a slim laptop. The display is where this laptop truly shines. Its 14-inch 3K OLED touchscreen delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling and video playback feel buttery smooth. It is bright enough for indoor use, but can struggle a bit in harsh sunlight. For those who spend hours looking at the screen, this is a welcome upgrade over typical IPS panels. Plus, the adaptive refresh rate helps save battery when you do not need the extra smoothness. Battery life is a standout here, something many laptops can only dream of. Testing showed the Zenbook playing videos continuously for nearly 21 hours. Real-world tasks like browsing and working on documents can easily stretch over a full workday without reaching for a charger. This kind of endurance lets you focus on work or entertainment without battery anxiety. Under the hood, the laptop sports Intel's Core Ultra 7 processor, paired with 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a speedy 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. This setup handles multitasking and office workloads effortlessly, though performance noticeably dips when unplugged, a trade-off for such impressive battery life. Heavy editing or gaming will require you to stay near a power source. Typing feels a bit cramped due to the compact keyboard layout, and the short 1.1mm key travel might leave your fingers wanting more during long sessions. The backlit keys help visibility but turn off quickly when on battery. The touchpad is large, responsive, and supports useful gestures, although the clicking mechanism feels a little stiff near the top. The webcam delivers clear 1080p video for calls, but can be inconsistent with color accuracy. There is no physical privacy shutter, but you can disable the camera and microphone with dedicated keys. The AI-powered noise cancellation on the mic works well, but can sometimes make your voice sound hollow. Sound is impressive for a laptop this size, with 4 Harman Kardon speakers and Dolby Atmos support offering clear, rich audio. Whether on calls, streaming, or casual listening, the speakers produce a satisfying soundstage without distortion. In conclusion, the Asus Zenbook S14 is a productivity-focused laptop that excels in battery life, display quality, and portability. It makes sensible compromises with its keyboard and battery-powered performance dips. If you want a laptop to last through long days and deliver a gorgeous screen and sound, this should be on your shortlist. However, if keyboard comfort or heavy on-the-go editing matters most, you might want to explore other options. If you are interested in buying the Asus Zenbook S14, check out the link in the description below for the best deals and latest prices. This laptop could be the upgrade you need to stop worrying about battery life and start focusing on your work.